In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Grok chat history. If you're looking to clear out old conversations for privacy, a fresh start, or simple decluttering, this walkthrough will guide you through the exact path in Grok settings and help you avoid common pitfalls. First, open your browser and head to the Grok website, then sign into your account. Take a moment to confirm you're using the correct profile, especially if you manage more than one account. The interface may look slightly different on mobile versus desktop, but the options you need are the same. Once you're in, look to the top corner of the page for your profile icon. Click it to open the account menu. This is where Grok groups key account and privacy options, so it's the quickest way to reach the controls we need. From that menu, choose Settings. Think of Settings as your control center for the account. Profile info, security preferences, and data management all live here. We're heading to the section that specifically manages your data. Inside Settings, find and open Data Controls. This area is dedicated to how your information is stored and handled. It's also where Grok places the tools for removing your content, including conversations. Within Data Controls, locate the option labeled Delete All Conversations. Before you click anything, understand what this does. It permanently removes every chat thread in your account. If you want to keep a record of anything, consider saving a copy or screenshot first. Once deleted, you won't be able to recover these messages. When you're ready, click Delete. Grok will show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to proceed. Read it carefully. This final check is there to prevent accidental loss. Confirm by selecting the prompt that asks if you're sure. After confirming, give Grok a moment to process. You may see a brief loading state. When it's done, your conversation list should be empty. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page or close and reopen the app. Sync across devices can take a moment, so expect a short delay if you're signed in elsewhere. If the option isn't visible or the button appears disabled, try reloading, switching browsers, or checking your connection. Interface labels can change over time, so if you can't find data controls, look for similarly named privacy or data sections within settings. That's it. You signed in, opened your profile icon, went to settings, opened data controls, selected delete all conversations, clicked delete, and confirmed. Your Grok chat history is now cleared.